In a nation driven by vision, where energy powers progress and industry shapes the future, one name stands as a trusted partner in delivering excellence: Arabian Industries, UAE. With over 6 decades of experience across the GCC, Arabian Industries has played a pivotal role in supporting the region's energy sector. From early infrastructure development to executing complex, multidisciplinary projects, the company's journey is defined by resilience, capability, and consistent delivery. Established in Abu Dhabi in 2010, Arabian Industries UAE brings this legacy closer to one of the world's most dynamic energy markets. Today, it operates as a fully integrated industrial services provider, delivering engineering, procurement, construction, manufacturing, and maintenance solutions. As an ADNOC ICV-certified company, Arabian Industries is proud to contribute to the UAE's national vision. Aligned with the Make in the Emirates initiative, the company actively strengthens local manufacturing, develops in-country capabilities, and supports sustainable economic growth. At the core of its operations lies engineering excellence. From concept to commissioning, Arabian Industries delivers innovative, efficient, and fit-for-purpose solutions designed to meet the evolving needs of the energy industry. Through its strong EPC capabilities, the company executes projects across oil and gas, petrochemicals, water, and power sectors, delivering construction of processing, handling, and storage facilities, infrastructure upgrades, brownfield modifications, modular construction solutions, all with a focus on safety, quality, and schedule certainty. Arabian Industries' manufacturing capabilities are central to its value proposition, producing a wide range of engineered equipment, including pressure vessels and columns, heat exchangers, modular systems and skids, storage tanks, pipeline equipment. Manufactured to meet stringent international and client specifications right here in the UAE. A trusted partner for maintenance, shutdowns, and turnaround services, Arabian Industries ensures operational continuity for critical assets. With proven expertise in plant maintenance, turnarounds and shutdowns, asset integrity management, brownfield upgrades, the company delivers reliability where it matters most. Supporting its core operations is a comprehensive suite of industrial support services, including industrial cleaning services, operations support services, logistics and transportation, enabling seamless execution across every stage of the project lifecycle. Backed by a highly skilled and diverse workforce, Arabian Industries combines regional expertise with local execution strength. Continuous training, technical development, and operational discipline ensure consistent delivery across all projects. Safety is embedded in everything we do. With a strong commitment to zero harm, Arabian Industries upholds the highest standards of health, safety, and environment, aligned with ADNOC and international best practices. Through long-standing relationships with leading operators, Arabian Industries has contributed to the successful delivery of critical energy projects across the region. Its client-centric approach ensures solutions that are not only efficient, but also sustainable and value-driven. With a strong presence across the GCC and deep-rooted experience in UAE and beyond, Arabian Industries brings the advantage of regional scale with local agility. As the energy sector evolves, Arabian Industries continues to invest in innovation, digitalization, and advanced construction methodologies, positioning itself as a future-ready partner in the global energy landscape. Driven by legacy, powered by capability, and aligned with national vision, Arabian Industries UAE. Delivering excellence, delivering value, powering the future.